The KoolMore 2-in-1 front load washer and dryer combo is a perfect solution for those seeking efficient laundry care in small living spaces. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this washer-dryer combo in the description below at the latest price. This compact unit combines the washing and drying functions into a single appliance, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs where space is limited. Its 2.7 cubic feet capacity offers enough room for regular laundry loads without overwhelming the space it occupies. Designed with convenience in mind, the KoolMore washer-dryer combo features 16 different wash cycles and 4 drying cycles to accommodate a variety of fabrics and clothing types. Whether you need a quick 20-minute wash or a gentle cycle for delicate items, this machine provides versatility to suit your laundry needs. The ventless design eliminates the need for an external vent, simplifying installation and making it even more suitable for spaces where venting options are limited. Ease of use is a priority for this appliance, which is evident in its LED display and push-button control panel. The display clearly shows cycle progress and settings, while the straightforward controls make operation simple for users of all experience levels. Additionally, the washer features a powerful 1300 RPM maximum spin speed, enhancing the drying efficiency by extracting more water during the wash cycle. Safety and reliability are also integral to the KoolMore washer-dryer combo's design. It is UL listed and energy verified, ensuring that it meets industry standards for performance and energy consumption. Backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty, this appliance gives peace of mind to customers looking for a durable and dependable laundry solution. In terms of dimensions, the appliance measures 23.4 inches wide, 33.5 inches tall, and 23.1 inches deep, making it a true space saver without sacrificing functionality. Despite its compact size, it weighs 73 kilograms, reflecting a sturdy build designed for long-term use. The white finish adds a clean, modern look that can seamlessly blend with various interior styles. In summary, the KoolMore 2-in-1 front load washer and dryer combo offers a smart, versatile, and space-conscious option for anyone needing reliable laundry care in limited spaces. Its wide range of wash and dry cycles, combined with user-friendly features and energy efficiency, make it a compelling choice for small homes, apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. With this appliance, you can enjoy the convenience of an all-in-one washer and dryer that delivers performance and practicality in a compact form.